Problem number 6, we will talk about the property of logarithmic function, okay? So do you remember this one? If you have this one, like exponential function with the logarithmic function exponent, whenever they have same base for exponential function and logarithmic function, we can just consider as cancellation, and then the result is just x, okay? We're gonna apply this one for the problem, okay? Here we go. Look at the first problem. Oh, like that's exactly this situation, right? Exponential function with logarithmic function power, okay? But look at the logarithmic function. There's no index, right? There's no base, right? Which means it is common log, which base is equal to 10. So like they have like same base, right? Then we can consider it's like cancel out this one. Then your result is simply square root of 3, right? And what about b? That is another property of log. So let me state that one, okay? Here we go. Log b of x to the m. Then whenever you have this power inside of log, then you have to remember this guy will be put out like this way. Then it will be m times log b of x, okay? And one more thing. If you have like same number base of log n inside, then no matter what equal to 1. Is it okay? So we're going to use these two property for problem B, okay? Here we go. So let me write it as a power form, log 5 of 5 to the 1 half, right? And by the second property, and I can put out like this one in front, okay? So it will be equal to 1 half log 5 of 5, okay? Then we know this guy is equal to 1. So the answer is 1 half. Is that clear? What about C? Okay, so it is square root. Okay, square root is the power 1 half, right? So let me write that one. Okay, so it is equal to 6 log 6 of pi to the 1 half. We are here now. Okay, so do you remember the first property that I told you? And we can consider this one as cancel out. Then it is pi. That is pi to the 1 half, or we can say just square root of pi. Okay. What about D? Well, like it is same thing with the first one, but there is the coefficient 4, right? Then what about this way? Your exponent is 4 times ln 3. Then what about the property of exponential function? We can do like this way. E to the ln 3 and 4 outside because it was the product of power, right? Then we can apply the first property that I showed you, and this will be canceled out, and it is 3. Then it is equal to 3 to the 4, which is 81. Okay. And let me keep doing the E, okay? So let me try to write this one as a power form that is equal to log 2 of 2 to the negative 8 because that is the reciprocal, right? And then by the property of one of the property of log that happened, right? This is really important property, okay? And that is equal to negative 8 and times log 2 of 2. And we know this guy is equal to 1. So your answer is negative 8. Is that okay? What about F? That is also same thing with the previous problem, okay? Now a problem D, right? So I can rewrite this one as 7 to the log 704 squared because when you look at the power, 2 times log 704. Is that okay? Then we know this will be canceled out and it is equal to 4, then the answer is 4 squared, which is 16.